Hey everyone, this is Tejaswini Thumaty. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel for more content on food, travel and lifestyle. I love watching these 24 hours food challenge videos. I've almost been watching them from 2 years from many different creators. Since then, I always wanted to take up these challenges, so today I thought of giving it a try. To begin with, I want to take up easier challenge so that I don't get disheartened if I'm not able to complete it. So in today's video, I'll be taking up eating brown color food for 24 hours challenge. Let's see how the day unfolds. It's 7 now and I woke up around 30 minutes ago and got done with all my morning routine. Now it's time for my pre-workout meal. Usually the first thing I have in the morning is some soaked nuts. I have soaked only almonds today. Along with that, I'll be having some walnuts and raisins. And today for milkshake, I'll be making some banana milkshake. I'll be using this chocolate powder to get the brown color. I love to start my day by spending some time in the balcony, just looking around and enjoying the nature. Hello, it's 9 o'clock now and I'm done with almost all the household chores and I got ready for the day. Now let's prepare for breakfast. For breakfast, I'll be making puliyogre today. I'll start with adding some oil to the pan. Once it's hot, I'll add some mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal and groundnuts. Then I'll add some store-bought puliyogre powder. Here I'm using MTR puliyogre powder. Then I'll add some cooked rice and mix it well together. Add salt according to your taste. Here I am adding some homemade puliyogre goju because I like the taste of it. And then finishing it off with some chopped coriander leaves. So I'm done with my breakfast now. I'll start preparing for chicken curry which I'll have for lunch. To prepare chicken curry, I have some chopped onions, tomatoes, fresh coconut, coriander and pudina leaves, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, ginger garlic paste and some whole spices. I'll first grind all these ingredients with some water. Now I'll add chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and grind it again. I'll add some oil into the cooker and then the marinated chicken and fry it for some time. Once the chicken is half cooked, I'll add the blended masala and some water and bring it to boil. I'll pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Hi, it's 11 now and I'm slightly hungry, so it's time for fruit dose of the day. I'm a big fruit person. I can't miss out on having fruits. So for today I have some chicos. I'll snack on this and continue with my work. Meet you guys at lunch. Hello, checking in at 1:30. For lunch, I'll be having ragi mudde and chicken curry that I made in the morning. So now let's start preparing for ragi mudde. I'll add 2 full cups of water and a small bowl of cooked rice. I'm adding this because my husband likes it this way, you can totally skip it. And a mixture of ragi flour with water. Once it starts boiling, I'll add the ragi flour. Technically, this is not the vessel in which you make mudde. I use cooker as I feel it is easier to hold the handle in one hand tightly and knead in other hand. I'm still in the process of learning to get better at making mudde. So here's the lunch for today. I'm having chicken curry with ragi mudde. I usually love having curd rice with lunch, but today because of this challenge I'm skipping it. Hence, to compensate, I've prepared a hot rasam. This is rasam made up of pepper powder and jeera powder, hence this is also brown in color. I usually sit down here and have my lunch while watching TV. It's around 5 now, so it's time for snacks. For snacks today, I'm having some kodbade and groundnut hunde that my mom sent. Along with this, I'll have a cup of coffee. So it's around 8:30 now. I'll start preparing for my dinner. For dinner today, I'll be making egg fried rice. I'll first prepare some scrambled eggs. I'll add some butter and beaten egg and scramble it. To the same pan, I'll add some oil and finely chopped garlic and saute it. Then adding some carrots and baby corn. Adding some onions here, which was supposed to be added earlier. I completely forgot to add it. Then I'm adding some capsicum and cabbage. Once the veggies are well cooked, I'm adding some pepper powder, salt, chili powder, jeera powder and chicken masala. I'll add the scrambled eggs, cooked rice and mix it all together. Now I'll add some dark soy sauce and mix it well together. So here my dinner is ready. I'll have this, watch some Netflix and catch up with you guys later. Hello, done with my dinner and all the nighttime routine. So now it's time for some dessert. I usually don't have dessert daily, but today after completion of my first food challenge, I thought of treating myself with some dessert. So for today, I'm having chocolate ice cream with some chocolate sauce. Even though this was an easier challenge, I'm so happy that my first food challenge went on so well. I really enjoyed filming this video, so I'm planning to take up one such challenge every month. Do let me know in the comments below what challenge you guys would like me to take next. And that's it for today's video. See you guys with next video. Bye bye.